How to get rid of cattails in 4 simple steps with ClearCast and C-Pro MSO. Step 1. Order the combo from Aquatic Control. Before we get to step 2, what makes this treatment better than the other cattail treatments? Simple. The cattails don't come back, it works any time of year, doesn't burn beneficial plants, and lastly, no cattail stumps after treatment. Step 2. Create spray solution. Add 2 ounces of ClearCast and 2 ounces of MSO to 1 gallon of water. Step 3. Spray the mixture onto the cattails. Avoid applying on a day with rain in the forecast. Step 4. Sit back and relax. Order today by phone or at aquaticcontrol.com.